Mailway Ridge.
Smash that like button. Woo!
Like and subscribe.
Here we go. There she's gone. First trig I want to come to is on a piece of private land. Cambridge University saw their telescopes, radioscopes. So I'm just going to go into the middle, take my picture and get out of here.
Okay, so the next one is up by the water tanks.
Off we go. So, I'm hoping this one isn't inside this fencing. Oops. And it is inside the government installation. And this is the fencing that we can't get over to get to the trig point. Here we go, off to trig point number 3, up on the Mailway Ridge. Oh. Oh, come on. The next trig point, always at high points, we can only get across this field a bit and we've got to go through this wood. It's on the other side of there somewhere. There we are. It's on the boundary between two fields that there's no right of way to get to. So, third one for the day. I got a puncture on the way home, but it was a good start.
Smash that like button. Woo!
Like and subscribe.